Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making smoked sausage, egg, and cheese casserole biscuits. They are actually one of my favorite breakfast recipes because they're like muffins and they're handheld. You can take them to go. And they just look cute and taste amazing. Now, usually the recipe calls for one Pillsbury Grand biscuit container, and it comes with 8 biscuits, 8 big biscuits. And each big biscuit is cut into 3 small pieces, and that gives you 24 pieces. Since we're making 12 muffins, usually it will be 2 pieces of biscuit in each muffin hole, whatever you want to call it. But the store did not have the Pillsbury Grand, so instead we're going to use 13. This is the regular size Pillsbury flaky biscuits, butter tasting. We're going to use 1 of these, which is 10, and 3 of these. So it's going to be 13. 12 of the 13 biscuits are just going to be used for each hole, and then the 3rd biscuit, I'm just going to take a little bit and put in each one. So that's going to make up for not having the big container of 8 biscuits. It'll be the same. Just a little more work. So anyways, time to get on in. So right now what we're going to do is cut this packet of Hillshire Farm smoked sausage into neutral pieces.
Xzachlyee.
This knife I'll be using sucks, but it's fine. New knife set soon to come.
Xzachlyee.
So we won't add the meat to the bowl. What we'll do is sprinkle it into the sections while it's in the muffin pan because it'll be harder to disperse the meat since it's denser than the liquid.
Xzachlyee. Xzachlyee. Xzachlyee.
I hope you guys like this simple breakfast recipe that tastes amazing. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you would try it at home. Comment down below anything you would like to comment. And share this video with a friend who you think could benefit from the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.